Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am presenting about technical report writing. The submitted to Sir Dr. M. A. Shaheen Sahib, submitted by Yaqub Said, roll number 8014 4th semester. Now I am presenting about two different topics, which is planning the manual, writing the manual. So first of all, we should know about manual. So what is the manual? Companies sell not only their products but also knowledge of how to use those products properly. This knowledge is contained in manuals. So in the other form, both the manufacturer and the buyer want a manual that will allow users safely and successfully to assemble, operate, maintain and repair the products. This is also known manual. Now, what is planning the manual? We should also know about planning, because planning is a very useful thing before to start any work. Planning manual shows provide information that will help to planning commission with this complex task, from designing the planning program to adopting the plan. Determine your purpose. First of all, it is the part of planning. First, determine your purpose. Now, first of all, you should know about your purpose. The purpose of a manual is to enable its readers to perform certain actions, but manuals cannot include every detail about any system or machine. Decide which topic your readers will need or can deal with. This is also all about your purpose. For example, you would choose to explain simple send and receive commands for email beginners, but not complicated directory searching. Part 2. Consider the audience. Before conveying your SMS to anyone, first you should know about it. What is your audience? What is your audience? Create an audience profile. First determine how much they know about general terms and concepts. Characterize your readers and their situations so that you can include text, visual and page design that give them the easiest access to the product. Readers who are learning their first word processing program know nothing about save, cut, paste, open, close and print. Readers learning their fifth program, however, already understand these basic words processing concepts. Early in the planning process, make a list of all words the readers must understand. Second, consider your goal of your reader. What should they be able to do as a result of reading the manual? A common answer, of course, is to be able to operate the product, but what are those key abilities they must have to do so? Those abilities will help you decide what sections to include and how to write them. Third, consider how your readers will read the manual. Both beginning and expert audiences usually are active learners. So, active learning is very important. Determine a schedule. Number 3. Early in your planning process, set up a schedule of the entire project. Typically, a manual project includes not just you, the writer, but also other people who will review it for various types of accuracy, technical, legal and design. It depends upon your audience. Discover sequence. Because sequence is very important. Without sequence, you cannot achieve your goal or good output. So, You should care about your sequence in your work. Discovering all the sequences means that you learn what the product does and what people do as they use it. Sequence has many parts like how to assemble it, how to start it, how to stop it, how to load it, and how it produces its end product. How each part contributes to producing the end product, how to adjust part for affecting performance, how to change it to perform slightly different tasks. This is all about sequence. Number 5. Analyze the steps. To analyze the steps in each sequence means to name which individual action that a user performs. Analyze the parts. You can analyze in parts. It is very easily like a single line diagram of your analyzed parts. You can also learn about it. Select visual aids. Visual shows how to good your product. It also shows external shape of your product. Visual aids, photographs, drawing, flow charts, and troubleshooting charts all help the readers learn about the product. Format the pages. You use different formatting. The following notes list all the format basically. Number 1. Type, font, size, position of header text. Position, width, length of header rule. Number 3. Size, type, font, position and grammatically form. Text speech between head and next line of text leading. Punctuation following the numerals. Position of second line of text. Space between individual instructions. And the second part of presentation is writing the manual. Writing the manual. Introduction. The introductions tell the purpose of the machine, state the purpose and division of the manual, and explains why a user needs the machine. Arrange the sections. A manual has two major sections: descriptions of the parts, instructions for all the sequences. In the descriptions of the parts and functions sections provide a drawing of the machine with each part clearly labeled. This is the part of section and it is very important. The sequences sections enables user to master the product. Arrange these sections by operations, not parts. Presents a section for each task. Assume responsibility. Responsibility is very important. All manuals writers have an ethical responsibility to be aware of the dangers associated with running a machine. Keep in mind that if you leave out a step, the operator will probably not catch the error and the result may be serious, because if you miss something, you face to have a big loss. In the other sections, title pages, table of contents, safety warnings, general descriptions of the mechanism, general information, installations, instructions also are about divided into many parts. This is also the sections. The body could include these elements: a theory of operation section. The concluding section could include such elements as maintenance procedures, troubleshooting suggestions, a part list, machine specifications. Know about machine specifications. You should also know about the part sections of the machine. So I hope you will have to learn many things in this discussion. So keep care yourself and remember me in your prayer. Thank you very much.